Hello rising generation. So continue class 6 का ही चल रहा है. So the next question is Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So simple, we have to subtract, but there is a but. This is in kilometer and this is in meter. We have to make a change here. So let's first write down total distance traveled. I'm writing in short form. Please do understand. By Namita is equal to 20 kilometer 500 meter. Now distance traveled by bus is equal to 10 kilometer 200 meter. So total distance will be, what was the total distance? We are changing the unit. Total distance was 20 kilometer 50 meter. So changing this, it becomes 50 divided by 1000. 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So now this portion 50 meter got changed to kilometer. So everything is in kilometer. 20 plus, cancelling here, 5 ones are 5 2, 1 by 20. This is kilometer. So taking LCM, so this becomes 400 plus 1. That is 401 by 20 kilometer. Okay. By bus, that is 10 kilometer 200 meter. Changing this again, dividing by 1000, so everything becomes kilometer. We cannot cancel this and this. Don't do this blunder mistake. Thus in between we do not have a multiplication sign. It's a plus. So only upar niche ka hi cancel hoga. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So it's 10 plus 1 by 5. 50 plus 1. So that gives you 51 by 5 kilometer. No, we are not done. Read the question. What did they ask? They asked you how much distance does she travel by auto? We have just changed the unit. So now we are going to do the subtraction. Distance traveled by auto. Therefore, distance traveled by auto is equal to 401 by 20 minus 51 by 5. So this is 20, this is 20. 20 into what gives you 20? 1s are. 1 into 401 is the same. 5 into what is 20? 4s are. 4 into 51. 204. है ना? So 401 minus 204 is 197 by 20. So now when you divide 197, 20 into 9 gives you 180. Doesn't go, put a point. 20 into 8 gives you 160. Now 20 into 5 gives you 100. So your answer is 9.85 what? Kilometer. Since we changed everything in kilometer in the beginning. Okay. Okay, next sum. These sums are there already in your textbook. So I just picked few important ones. If you know those, the others will become easier for you. Understand these sums very well from the explanation, and it will be easy for you to practice the other sums from the same chapters. So find the cost of fencing a square. Find the cost of fencing. Fencing means boundary. Fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So fencing, suppose this is a park which is in the shape of a square. So we will put boundary all over the square park. So that means what? Fencing means putting boundary means perimeter. So perimeter of a square formula will apply here. Perimeter of the square park is equal to 4 into side. 4 into how much? Each side was 250. So when you multiply, you get 1000. What? Meter. Don't write a square here, because you are not finding the area. You are just finding the perimeter. So it's simply meter. So now the next part, they asked you find the cost of fencing. Therefore, the cost of fencing the park at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. 20 per meter, say this much would cost at the rate 20 rupees. So how much? I mean, this was area. Say this much is 20 meter. So that would cost 20 rupees. So you have to put a fencing all over the park, square park. So that would be 1000, that is the perimeter, into 20 rupees, which will be charged for 1 meter. So that gives you how much? 2 ones is 2. Don't start multiplying 1000 into 20. Look here. 2 ones are 2. How many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it's 20,000. Don't forget to put the comma also from back. The Indian system. We learnt it in class 3. So you should know. To give your answer a better look, so that your teacher finds it very pleasing and knows that this is the end of your answer, try to put a double dash, because that attracts and the teacher finds that this is the end of your answer, and Katagat, she will give you the marks out there. Put a tick mark and you are going to get a full mark for the answer. Okay. Next, next are some easy sums. Okay, let me do something from integers. Okay, I guess this would be the last sum for this video. And if I find some easy sums for you which you need to practice, I'll tell you later. So a last sum for this video. Wait. Hey, don't go away. This sum is easy, but some students make a silly mistake. So I'll show you. I'll point out where the mistake you make every time. So represent the integers -3, 1 and 5 on a number, NO means number, line. Then use the numbers, use the number line to find what? The value of 5 minus of -3. So what are the numbers? 3 is present, 1, 5 is present. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. What did they ask you for? -3. So dekho, minus is this side. So mark. Just put a circle here. So this is -3. Then they asked you for 1. 1 matlab +1. So it will be this side. Okay. Then they asked you for 5. So this is your 5. A positive 5. Now you have 5 minus of -3. So to get the perfect answer without making any mistake, first we will solve this part. Minus outside the bracket, minus inside the bracket needs to be multiplied. Minus into minus is a plus. So how much are you getting? 5, 6, 7, 8. A positive 8. So you started with 5. Okay, then you used minus and minus, that is +3. 1, 2, 3. So this is your answer. So you will solve first so that you do not make a mistake in the number line. Okay. So if I find few more important sums for you, I'll surely do it. Let's see, let me sort it out. In my next video, I'll show you. Until then, keep on practicing. Bye-bye.